These are the main ingredients of our recipe today. Shall we check it out? Let's start with a bowl and a strainer. Drain 170 grams of tuna. Then, chop half an onion. Chop 1 tomato. In a bowl, add 2 eggs, the chopped onion, the tomato, and the tuna. Add 100 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. Now just mix. Add salt, black pepper, parsley, and a tablespoon of wheat flour to taste. Mix well. In a frying pan, add a drizzle of olive oil. Add the mixture, and spread it over the pan. Let it cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Then, with a plate, flip the dough, and let it cook for another 5 minutes on this side. Now just serve. And there it is, a delicious tuna pie made quickly and practically. With a tasty combination of ingredients and easy preparation, it is the perfect meal for any time. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel for more recipes. Comment below what you think and share your variations with us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next recipe.